Hey guys, hello. How has your day been? Good afternoon. Can you see what I'm holding? That is fish, right? In Africa, we call this smoky fish or eja nino, eja kika. And today we're just going to be using air fryer to produce same result as that one we buy in Africa. You know that smoky flavor and very delicious taste of that kind of fish. We're just going to do that now with our air fryer, and trust me guys, it's come out just as perfect as the one back home. So to start, we're just going to wash the fish, wash thoroughly, open the belly, remove all the intestine, remove them, and then rinse it out completely. Ensure you get rid of all the dirt in between the fish, guys. Also go to the head, remove everything in the head. Do the same thing to all the number of fish you want to do. For me, I'm working with just 2 fish, and then I'm just going to clean the sink again, get out the dirt out of there. And now let's start. I'm going to show you how to fold this properly. That's what we'll be using, guys. I'm just going to be using that toothpick. Okay, so pick up the fish and then try to fold just as I'm doing. Fold it. Use your left thumb to open the mouth of the fish just like that, and put the tail in between the head of the fish. And then you're going to use the toothpick to hook it down. You go from one side of the head of the fish just through the tail that you already put in between, and then that's it, guys. It is perfectly sealed. And can you see the perfect circle? You can see that side that is open. If you like, you can just still tack it together, and if you don't mind, you can leave it open. Me, I'm just going to do that just so it doesn't look scattered when it is finally done, right? I'm going to pick up the second one just as I did for the first one. I'm going to do that also to the second one. And just take a look at it, guys. We have the perfectly rounded fish. And that is off to the air fryer for it to smoke or fry, whatever. So that is the outcome, guys. Can you see how it looks? Honestly, there's no difference between this one and the one we buy back at home. You can use this to make a perfect stew for rice. You can use this in your vegetables. You can put this in moi moi when you want to cook. Trust me, guys, it just looks as perfect as the one we are used to. Okay guys, that's what we have. I hope you love this. If you want me to do more of this content, kindly like, share, and support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. I really appreciate your kind gesture. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next one.